your Scrap Passion 01, and I am here as promised to share with you guys the bee theme little kit I put together. Basically, this was like a little trial run to see how you guys like this concept for me kind of putting things together. And I started out with the bee theme, and I put together 3 kits, but I have 2 available for sale. One has been accounted for already. So I'm going to share with you guys what I have available in this kit. This kit will be $48 shipped. If you are interested, all you need to do is just email me at scrappassion01@yahoo.com, and I will give you my PayPal to go ahead and pay family and friends through PayPal. I ask that you pay within the hour of me responding back to you. If you don't respond back within the hour, in order to be fair about things, I'm going to go to the next person. All right, so let me share with you real quick what I have available in this kit. Again, this will be $48 shipped. So first off, what I have these really pretty bee themed napkins. 3 of these, and you know that we can craft with napkins. You can use this as a paper option if you like. So I'm going to include 3 of those, and I'm just going to go ahead and just package this one together with you as we go. Next up, I have 3 of these beautiful black and white gingham style napkins that I'm going to include in the kit. So we're going to put that in there. Next up, I have some of these doilies. You'll receive 3 of those in your kit. Next will be this 560-piece adhesive foam squares. I'm going to include those. Okay. And then in this really pretty clear case, you'll receive some of the embellishments I made. I have a playlist of some of the embellishments that I put together for this kit. You can see that below. Just click on the link and you can see those videos of the embellishments I included. I pretty much include all of the embellishments I put together except for the bike. I didn't include that. It was a little bit too large for this kit. I couldn't get it to fit well, so I excluded that. But everything else will be in this cute little case. As you can see there, I have some cute, they look like little beehive beads that you can paint and include those on your projects. I have the little stirrer there included. And, you know, like I said, the embellishments that I put together, they're all enclosed in here real nicely for you to use for your projects. This kit is basically focused around, you know, people that may not have a whole lot of time to create, and they just want to pull out their kit and have everything right there for them to put something quickly together. So that's the focus of the kits. If you guys like this concept, I will continue to do the kits. Just comment below if you're interested and give me an idea of what theme you'll like to see. Next up, you'll receive some of these cute bee themed stickers. This is 11 pieces, really, really fun and cute. You will receive these cute dimensional sunflower stickers, 12 pieces. You will receive this 15-piece dimensional stickers of the bees. Next up, you'll also receive this 20-piece dimensional cute bee stickers. Next, you'll receive this adhesive gem of the bee, 1 piece. Here's some more adhesive gems. This 11 pieces of the bees. You'll also receive 6-piece charms of these cute bees. You're going to receive this 12-count cupcake picks. And what I like to use for the cupcake picks, you can use them as rosettes. You can remove the stem and use them as rosettes, or you can keep the cute little pick on it and use it as a fun dimensional embellishment. Next up, you're going to receive some of this seam binding from the Scrap Cabin. Next, you'll receive a bag of these yellow and black beads. Beads are so popular right now, so I had to include some of those in your kit. Let me just see how I can put that in there. That might work. All right. Next, you're going to receive these doodads, Gold Rush. You can include these in shakers or, whatever you choose to use those for. I'm going to also include this buttons of the cute little flowers. This is 8 pieces, so you'll receive that. All right. I have some more of my handmade embellishments that you're going to receive of these cute little pinwheels right here. Really fun and cute to put on add to your projects. And then lastly, you will receive a pair of the cute bee theme flip-flops. I'm going to include that in your kit as well. All right. So this kit, you guys, is jam-packed, full of bee-themed embellishments and stickers and things like that you can use to put together your bee-themed projects. I hope you guys like this concept. I'm sorry I only have 2 available for sale, but like I said, this was basically a trial run to see how this is going to be received, if you guys like this. So just comment below. Let me know if you like it, if you want me to put together some more kits. This was really fun. I enjoyed doing it. So just let me know and comment below what you'd like to see. All right, you guys. And I hope you guys are having an awesome 4th of July today. I'm going to just chill out here at the house. I'm going to try to get some crafting done. And that's my share today, you guys. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.